Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to have an introduction to combinational circuits. So this is a new section. So far we have covered 3 sections. So those 3 sections are, the first section is number system, second one is logic gates and Boolean algebra, and the third section is minimization. So the videos are arranged in an order in our playlist, hoping that you have already watched all those sections, because the understanding of those sections will help you a lot in understanding this section, which is called as combinational circuits. So what is meant by a combinational circuits? We will try to understand the concept of combinational circuit by understanding the definition of combinational circuits. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, so this is an introduction to the combinational circuits. What is meant by a combinational circuit? So what is meant by a combinational circuit? It is logic circuits. So logic circuits of digital systems may be combinational or sequential circuits. So what does that mean is, if you take any digital system, so if you take any digital system like computer, mobile or a calculator, so every digital system will perform a certain level of logics, will implement a certain level of logics. So what does that mean is, if you take a calculator will do certain level of logics, certain level of operations are implemented in the calculator. Similarly, if you take a mobile will perform or implement certain level of logics, and if you take a computer will implement a certain level of logics. So these digital systems will implement certain level of logics, and these logics are constructed. So these logics are constructed by logic circuits, and these logic circuits are broadly divided into 2 types, which are combinational circuits and sequential circuits. In this section we are going to understand all about combinational circuits. In our next section we are going to cover completely about sequential circuits. So what is meant by a combinational circuit? A combinational circuit consists of interconnection of logic gates, and those combinational logic gates react to the values of signals at their inputs and produce a value of the output signal. So what does that mean? A combinational circuit consists of an interconnection of logic gates. So far in our previous sections like logic gates and Boolean algebra, we have covered different types of logic gates. So what are the logic gates that we have covered so far? It is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. So in this way we have covered different types of logic gates. So what is a combinational circuit means? A combinational circuit consists of an interconnection of logic gates. So the combinational circuit, it combines, it interconnects different types of logic gates. Why that interconnection is made? So different interconnection of logic gates, and those combinational logic gates, so those combinational logic gates react to the values of the signals at their inputs. So the inputs that we are going to provide at the input variables so the values that we are going to provide at the inputs, for those inputs, these combinational circuits, these combinational interconnection of logic gates will react. So will react for these inputs, and they are going to produce an output and produce the value of the output signals. So this is the block diagram of the combinational circuit. So in this box, this is the box that we call it as combinational circuit. What it consists of? What this box consists of? This box consists of interconnection of logic gates. The logic gates that we have covered so far, using those logic gates we are going to interconnect those logic gates. So those interconnections of logic gates when combined with the input, so when inputs are provided to this logic gates interconnection, so for a specific input it is going to produce a specific output. So that is what we call it as combinational circuit, which means that we are going to implement a certain kind of logic. So in this section we are going to cover different types of combinational circuits. So the different types of combinational circuits that we are going to cover in this section is arithmetic combinational circuits like half adder, full adder, so binary adder, decimal adder, BCD adder, and next multiplexer, demultiplexer, decoder, encoder, and next it is comparators, ROM. So all these combinational circuits, the logic that is used, the interconnections of the logic gates which implements these circuits, those logic gates interconnections we will try to understand in this section. Okay, so this is what we are going to discuss in this entire section. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Hope you thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.